It's the ultimate comfort food. It's in our sandwiches, our breakfast toast, and that free basket at the restaurant. We've been told for decades that bread is the base of the food pyramid. But what if I told you that for many of us, that innocent-looking slice of sourdough or that fluffy bagel is actually a biological lock keeping your belly fat exactly where it is? Today, we're conducting an experiment. We're looking at the biology of what happens inside your body, from your brain to your gut, when you cut out all bread for exactly 30 days. It's not just about low carb or keto. It's about a specific metabolic shift that happens when you remove refined flour. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the first 7 days look like a miracle, why day 14 is the danger zone, and exactly how much belly fat you can actually expect to lose by day 30. The insulin-belly connection. To understand why bread targets the belly, we have to talk about the glycemic index, GI. Most modern bread, even many whole wheat brands, is made from highly pulverized flour. This means your body digests it almost instantly. When you eat 2 slices of white bread, your blood sugar levels spike as fast as if you'd eaten a candy bar. The science: when blood sugar spikes, your pancreas releases insulin. Think of insulin as a storage hormone. Its job is to take that sugar out of your blood and put it somewhere. If your muscles are already full of energy, insulin takes that sugar and stores it as visceral fat. Visceral fat isn't just the jiggle you can pinch, it's the deep fat wrapped around your heart, liver, and intestines. This fat is metabolically active, meaning it actually sends out signals to keep you hungry and keep your insulin high. It's a vicious cycle. By stopping bread, you're finally lowering the insulin wall, allowing your body to access its own fat stores for the first time in years. Week 1. The Whoosh effect. Days 1 through 7. You wake up on day 4 and look in the mirror. Your face looks thinner. Your bloating is gone. You hop on the scale and you're down 3, 4, maybe 5 pounds. Is this all fat? Honestly, no. Your body stores carbohydrates in the form of glycogen. Here's the kicker. For every gram of glycogen your body stores, it carries about 3 to 4 grams of water to go with it. When you stop eating bread, your body burns through its glycogen stores, and that water is flushed out. While it's just water, it's a vital psychological win. You'll feel lighter, your digestion will feel calmer, and that heavy post-lunch inflammation starts to fade. You're clearing the deck for the real work to begin. Week 2. The Carb Flu and the Reset. Days 8 through 14. This is the valley of death for most diets. Your brain is used to the quick hit of dopamine and glucose that bread provides. You might feel irritable, have a slight headache, or experience intense cravings for a pizza crust. This is often called the carb flu. But stick with it. Something incredible is happening. Your liver is beginning to produce enzymes that are better at breaking down fat for fuel. You are becoming metabolically flexible. Instead of riding the glucose roller coaster where you eat bread, spike, crash, and get hungry again, your energy levels are starting to level out. By the end of week 2, that 3 p.m. brain fog usually disappears. You're no longer a sugar burner, you're becoming a fat burner. Weeks 3 and 4, the deep burn. Days 15 through 30. This is where the magic happens for your waistline. Because your insulin levels have remained low and stable for 2 weeks, your body has been forced to tap into that deep visceral fat. This is the period where you start to notice your belt notches changing. The microbiome shift. Your gut bacteria are changing. The microbes that thrive on processed starch begin to die off, and the ones that thrive on fiber and diverse nutrients start to grow. This reduces systemic inflammation. By day 25, many people report that they don't even want the bread anymore. The addiction has been broken. You're likely sleeping better, your skin may look clearer because of the reduction in insulin-related acne, and your all-day energy is at an all-time high. So, what's the final tally after 30 days? Most people lose between 5 and 12 pounds, depending on their starting point. More importantly, they lose inches off their waist. But here's the warning. You cannot replace bread with gluten-free processed snacks or mountains of pasta. To get these results, you need to replace those empty bread calories with high-volume, low-calorie density foods. Instead of a bun, use a large lettuce leaf. Instead of morning toast, try sliced sautéed sweet potato. Instead of a sandwich, try a quinoa or power bowl. The challenge: I want you to try this for just 30 days. Don't think of it as forever. Just think of it as a biological reset. Have you ever tried cutting out bread before? What was the hardest part for you? Drop a comment below. I read as many as I can, and I'd love to hear your experience. If this science-backed breakdown helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how your body actually works. I'm Nabby, and I'll see you in the next one.